Hello everyone and welcome back to the Canadian Island Life channel. It's Fred here, and today I'm going to go over how I make some homemade gluten-free pizza. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's so simple to make and it's so good for you, and it just tastes great. Start off with some red onions, and I've already got some ham sliced up and partially cooked on the plate. You can use bacon if you want to. I just happen to have some ham laying around. And we're going to take some tomatoes. I just had these little grape tomatoes, so I'll slice them up, but normally I might use a plum tomato or something else. Whatever you got will work. I also have a salad on the side, so a little leftover pieces I'm going to throw into the salad just like that. And we're going to take some red pepper. I like to put green pepper in too. Now the flatbread that I have here is an Odo's gluten-free flatbread, and it comes in a 3-pack. And I like using this. It's simple. I'll use like 1.5 packs of it, or 1.5 pieces of it, and then I'll freeze the other 1.5 for another time. I don't make my own gluten-free dough or anything like that. It's too difficult. And we'll take some mushrooms and we'll slice them up. There we go. And we got some garlic. Give the garlic a good dicing here. I love fresh garlic on pizza. You can put whatever ingredients you want on for toppings. You don't have to put what I put on it. I do actually like putting pineapple on pizza. I know that's controversial. Some people like it, some people don't. Maybe put down in the comments if you like pineapple on your pizza. Anchovies used to always be a thing. I've never known anybody that put anchovies on a pizza. I don't ever recall it, but people used to always complain about anchovies. So yeah, leave a comment. Especially if there's anything kind of weird that you like on your pizza. Love to hear it. I got some Schneider's pepperoni. And I'm going to cut the package open. And when I take it out of there, it's got some weird... It's got some kind of plastic casing on it that I wasn't too happy with, so I peeled it off. I'm not eating that. There we go. Now we're ready to slice her up. Food grade petroleum products. I think I heard that about something else. There. Just about at the end of our chopping. There, now we can get our flatbread pieces out. And I'm just going to get 2 pieces out, and then I'll cut one of them in half. Freeze the rest of it. I'll put the rest in a pan. Now I oiled this pan because I didn't have any flour, but if you've got some corn flour or some rice flour, it's probably a better idea. This had a tendency to stick a little bit. We'll put our flatbreads down there. And I've got my tomato sauce here. Now this particular stuff doesn't exactly say that it's gluten-free, but it also doesn't say that it has wheat in it. So that's good enough for me, but you be the judge. Spread that out nice and liberally. I see somebody is sitting down there eyeing up the food. Probably heard me get the cheese bag out of the fridge before. There we go. And I got my special no-name Italian seasoning. Perfect. It looked a little dry, so I'm just going to add a little more sauce to it. And we'll start spreading all the toppings out. Wouldn't have thought they were going to all fit on, but it turned out to be a pretty good thick pizza. St. Thomas deep dish pizza. Spread that garlic out. Place the mushrooms and the red peppers, tomatoes, starting to look good. And we'll get the cheese out. And here she comes. She's got to have a little bit of cheese. Likes cheese, likes ice cream. You can see her tail sticking up there. That means she's standing by my leg looking up at me. And a little cheese for the salad. Clean up the pan a little bit. Give her another little piece. I think we're ready for the oven. And we'll sprinkle on some no-name basil. If you have fresh basil, that's even better. I'll stick that in the oven. I'm just going to take the rest of this stuff here and I'm going to dice it up and use that for tomorrow morning's omelet. No point wasting any of it. It's nice when you can get the omelet stuff made up the night before. Alright, let's check our pizza. Well, it's looking pretty good. I think we're going to have to give it a little bit more time yet. Maybe a little more than just this, but for cinematic effect. Oh, look, it's all done. Isn't that something? Oh God, it looks delicious. Wow. Oh boy, does that ever look good. Can't tell me you don't want to make one of these. Man, oh man. It's nice and crispy on the bottom, thin crust, I like that. Throw it together with the salad. Man, it's delicious. Thanks for coming along on this episode. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you get a chance to make it, you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to look down, click subscribe, like, and share. And we'll look forward to seeing you folks in another episode of Canadian Island Life.